Bangkok, the beating heart of Thailand, presents a unique blend of modernity and tradition, drawing visitors into a vibrant tapestry woven with bustling skyscrapers alongside serene temples. One of the most striking landmarks is the marvelous Wat Arun temple, adorned in shimmering golden hues, captivating visitors with its architectural beauty and tranquil ambience. This temple often leaves an indelible impression on those who seek a connection with Thailand's rich cultural heritage. For those who crave excitement through shopping, the expansive Chatuchak Market offers a thrilling adventure. It is not just a marketplace, it is an exploration of mazes filled with goods ranging from vibrant textiles to rare antiques. Here, shopping evolves into an exhilarating experience that captivates and enchants. Culinary enthusiasts will find pleasure in the authentic Thai flavors served from local street food stalls. These vendors offer a diverse array of dishes that epitomize the essence of Thai cuisine, each bite immersing the taste buds in a sensational journey. Taking a boat ride along the Chao Phraya River offers an entirely different perspective of Bangkok, allowing travelers to see the city from a uniquely refreshing angle. The river cruise not only exhibits Bangkok's urban charm but also its picturesque landscapes, providing an experience that is both relaxing and awe-inspiring. Bangkok is more than just a city, it is a complete experience filled with culture, flavors, and adventure. Whether one is drawn to history, shopping, or relaxation in luxurious hotels and resorts, Bangkok surprises with its diversity and enthusiasm. Don't miss the opportunity to uncover this stunning destination. Book your tickets now from the link below the video and embark on an unforgettable journey.